This is the 14th question from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 2B. This is from the harder set of math questions. Number 14 tells us that the function is for degrees Fahrenheit and X represents Kelvin. And if you got an increase of 2.10 degrees Kelvin, how much did the Fahrenheit increase? So first off, you could pick a number here whenever it changes affecting an outcome. And the easiest number to pick for X and solve for Fahrenheit is 273.15, because you could see easily if you plug that in, then you get that your function equals 32. Okay, I'm going to circle those together. And then if you're increasing in temperature by 2.10 degrees Fahrenheit, you've got to literally add that to your X. And now your new X is going to be 275.25 degrees Kelvin. And then you solve for your new f of x, and you find that it's 35.78. Now, keep in mind what the question's asking for. It's asking for, and I did that because it says an increase of 2.1 degrees Kelvin. It's asking for how much the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit increased. So all you got to do to finish it is do 35.78 minus that 32.00. And you get your answer, which is 3.78. See the full length video, check us out on YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center. Go to Test 2, on the playlist, Test 2 Module 2B. It's the longer videos are going to be just above these shorter videos. Have a great day.